So what we're looking at is we're looking at your sleep time, how much sleep you averaged or how much you estimated for the last few weeks. And then you decided on a wake-up time, and we're going to use a calculator to determine your sleep opportunity, how much sleep how much time in bed you're going to get, and then we can use those two numbers to figure out when you need to go to bed. Okay. So what was your estimate in terms of your sleep time?
5 hours.
5. And your wake-up goal?
6 a.m.
6 a.m. Right. And so with 5 hours of sleep, we find that we need 5 hours and 34 minutes of sleep opportunity. Now the 4 minutes will give you one way or the other. You can do 5:35 or you can do 5:30, something like that. But if we go back from this to determine your time in bed, we see that you should be going to bed about 12:25 or 12:30.
I usually go to bed at like 2:30, 3.
And sleep in?
Yeah. Maybe a little.
So 2:30 or 3 would mean that you would be going to bed, that you'd be getting up at 7 or 8. So you may not want to try and shift your circadian clock this much as well as do the sleep compression. So you might want to make this later and this later.
Okay.
Depending, is there a reason that you set 6 a.m.?
I want to get up early for work. Yeah.
Okay.
Because I work at a bakery, so we have to be there early.
And what are you doing now?
Not functioning very well.
But you are waking up at that time?
Most of the time. Sometimes I've missed work because I've slept in.
So you've got some circadian issues in addition to the sleep issues. So you can try doing 7 and then 6:30 and then 6, moving this back gradually and moving this corresponding, or you can just go straight to this and compress it.
Stick to it. Okay.
But that's more of that circadian rhythm in contrast to just the sleep time.
Oh, okay.
And so you'll want to move that gradually, and then as you improve, we'll add sleep on there.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you.